Form 842, page 3. What documents should you attach to this application? 2 passport-size photos of each person included in the application that have the name of the person written on the back. Okay. And supporting documents, the document must provide the documents you must provide are requested throughout this form. There is also a document checklist, part Q of this form. You should certainly check you have provided all the listed documents, part Q. Okay, you should also provide all documents necessary to support your humanitarian claims. Copies of documents must be certified as true copies of the original by the Justice of Peace, Commissioners of Declarations, or the person before whom a statutory declarations may be made under the Statutory Declaration Act of 1959. The outside Australians, a person who is equivalent to a Justice of the Peace or a Commissioner for Declarations must certified copy. If you do not provide all the necessary documents, a decision may be made on the information you have provided. It is in the interest to support your applications with as much information as possible at the time of the application. If you are not able to provide any of the documents listed at Part Q, please provide a written explanation why the documents are not available. Under no circumstances should you submit false documents. Where can you launch these applications? Applicants wishing to be considered for Class XB visa in the refugees category must launch their form at Australian Overseas Mission. For address, please see department's website, homeaffairs.gov.au/about/contact/office -locations. Electronic launchment is available to applicants wishing to be considered for a Class XB visa under the Global Special Humanitarian Program Subclass 202, including the split family provisions for the immediate family members and the community support program. Further information, including detail on how to launch a Global Special Humanitarian Subclass 202 visa applications electronically, is available from the department's website, immI.homeaffairs.gov.au/visa/getting-a-visa/visa listing/global special humanitarian 202. Is there an application or processing charge? Applicants in the community support program may pay a visa applications charge. Further information on the visa applications charge is available on the department website, immI.homeaffairs.gov.au/visa/getting-a-visa/fees and charges/current visa pricing and /others. Other applications do not pay a charge to launch these applications. Is there a charge for this form? No. Forms 681, 842, and 1417 are free and may be obtained from the department website, homeaffairs.gov.au/allforms/. Interview and request for more information. Interviews are not always necessary. We will advise you if you are required to attend an interview or if you need to provide more documents or information. Change of circumstances. If your circumstances change in any way after you have launched this form, example, you or your family member enters into a new relationship, become engaged or marries, you must inform the department if the child is born to you or any other person includes in these applications. After this application is launched, the child will be included in the applications if details are provided before a final decision is made on the application. Information on updating your circumstances is available on the department's website, immI.homeaffairs.gov.au/ au/chain in situation. Processing information. You should be aware that there is strong interest in this class of visa and it may take a long time to finalize your application. You may need to have medical and X-ray examination as part of the assessment of the application. You may also be asked to undergo medical treatment as part of the assessment of the visa application. The Australian government reserves the right to conduct the character checks on all adult applicants. Details of your applications are not passed on to your home country. The Australian government will pay the costs related to the medical examinations for all humanitarian visa applications, except visa applicants is community support program. All visa subclass except Global Social Humanitarian Subclass 202 visa holders and visa holders in the community support program will also have their travel costs paid by Australian government. Important information about privacy. The Privacy Act 1988 contains 13 Australian privacy principles which regulate the way that Department collects and handles personal information. Information about how the department collects and uses and discloses personal information for its key functions can be found in the Form 1442I Privacy Notice. More information about the department's general information handling practices, including Form 1442I, can be found in the department's Privacy Policy at homeaffairs.gov.au/access and accountability/our commitment/privacy. The department is careful to protect the privacy of all applicants. Care will be taken to make sure the details of the applications do not reach your home country. Review rights. If your application is refused, it is not possible to obtain a review for the decisions by Administration's Appeal Tribunal. Settlement services. If you are granted a humanitarian visa subclass 200, 201, 202, 203, and 204, or 204, information on the personal possessions that you may take with you to Australia is available from the office that granted your visa. The department provides a range of services to help refugees and humanitarian entrants settle in Australia. This assistance may include being met on arrival by a service provider and taken to accommodation, help to register for income support, help to arrange medical appointments, information about your new community, and attending English language classes. Note, if you are granted a humanitarian visa in the community support program, settlement services will be provided to you by your organization, APO, in conjunction with the supporting community organization.